Hello and welcome to the SaturdayMP show, episode number 70, recorded mostly live October 10th, 2025. This is a show about shipping secure, high-quality software faster. I'm your host, Chris, and today is part 3, hopefully, maybe the last part, of trying to migrate my Rails website. So if we take a look here, this is the actual SaturdayMP.com. To Jekyll. So this is kind of what we have running right now. So if you watch previous videos, we set up the Jekyll, like part 1 was setting up the Jekyll project. And then part 2, we got the homepage mostly, like you could see the homepage mostly works. Just the buttons are a little off. And actually I tried this the other, so this will bring up a Calendly link. So that still works. So that's cool. And we're migrating this using, I got a Cloud Code subscription earlier this month. So we've been playing around with that and trying it out. I don't know if I'll keep it yet or not, because it's like $130 Canadian or something for the max. So maybe I'll downgrade or something like that. But anyway, we'll just play around with it. So that's what we're doing today. So last time we left off, we got the previous commit. We had got the homepage in there, and then this commit here was getting the CSS to work. So it's mostly working. So I might as well just commit all these. I didn't commit them last time. Bad me. All right. And now I guess the thing we want to fix is this button. And then I think we'll just review some of the code and see what it all looks like. So I think once we get this main page working, we can get right now the about and contact. The blog takes us to the WordPress site, but it's about, oh yeah, do all these links work? That's the blog. YouTube, LinkedIn. Oh yeah, they all look okay. Mastodon. Oh. Yeah, okay. Oh, it's just taking forever in a day. Facebook. Oh, I do have I should get rid of that SaturdayMP Facebook. I never use it. Okay. All right. So that looks like it's working, but let's fix this. Oh, I was on the wrong one. Let's make sure these ones are working. All right. Is GitHub working? Yeah. Okay. So it all looks good. So yeah, let's fix these buttons, because these are set up like, I think what this is this is the Bootstrap default. And what I actually want is I overrode the Bootstrap defaults here to get this custom kind of button color. So let me see what we got going on here. So put everything. So there's the layouts. Oh, interesting. Underscores are before. Okay. So where did it put the main? I forget now. It's been a while. Maybe under assets. Oh, okay, main. So I think this was what we used to override the default color. Yeah, so this is what we tell the modal dialogues to look like. Yeah, so this should be the primary color here. So, but it's not working for some reason. So if I look at the site, what does the site generate for? It probably just puts it one. Oh yeah, we got to figure out what this style. I think this style comes maybe from a default Jekyll thing. This is main. I'm assuming this is generated just as a squished, like it's called the background colors. If I look here. Okay, yeah, so there's all the mains, and then it imports these files. So I don't have a media. I don't have a I don't think. Oh, okay. Maybe it did create. So about. Oh yeah, we have body header. Okay. Oops. Lock you in there. So we have an about. Like we have a body header, body footer, contact. I don't think I have a contact. I can't remember anymore. Okay, so it looks like it's finding all those and smashing them all together. But why won't it set this? I think it gave me a warning last time. I didn't watch the video, but like these are my, like this is the primary color it should use for things, and secondary. Like, okay. Does this show up anywhere else in the file? No. And then if I go look at my Rails application, which I have here, like all of this is, I think, style sheets, right? So all, that's for the body and footer application. Okay, so these are all here. Oh, the theme. Okay. Change some. This is where we change all the Bootstrap ones. So we load the theme first. Oh, maybe the problem is the order it's all getting loaded in. Because if I remember, like this has to be done first. Otherwise, it'll get confused. So maybe. I wonder what the loading order for this is. Right, yeah, it's all here. So this should be first. But if I go look in here, I'll have to get rid of all that media stuff. It doesn't seem like it did anything with it. Okay, well, let's, I don't know, we got the Claude subscription. Let's use it, I guess. Otherwise, this would be kind of Google searching. So, all right. So, how, oh, I don't want to do that. How do I set Bootstrap defaults? So what am I trying to set? In Jekyll site, I would like to set the primary color to which is done in main.scss, but does not work on the site. Oops, when the site is built. All right, did I kill the, oh, I have to stop the site here. Give me a second. It's still running. How is it still? Do I have it open in another window? Sorry, give me a sec. Let's just, I'm just going to stop it through Docker. I just want to stop it, not delete it. There we go. Okay. Yeah, it's again. I should maybe I should watch videos, but if I remember something when I was editing it last week or earlier this week, it said something about the Bootstrap issue. So let's see if it'll figure it out. And then we'll have to do a code. I think like once we get kind of everything working, I think we'll just go through and we'll clean up stuff like that media was something I was going to add to the site, but we never got around to finishing it. Just to show some of these YouTube videos on there. So I think we'll go through after this and we'll just kind of audit all that code and see what it said. Oh, okay. So what does it do? You learn Bootstrap from layouts, which is the primary variable in your main. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So it's got some ideas. So if I look at my layouts, yeah, because I remember it added this. So I was debating too whether I wanted to add these Bootstrap files to my repo or not, or always pull them from here. I don't know what's probably better if I just added them. We'll have to see. Install the Bootstrap SaaS source. Oh, I actually added as a gem. Right, import Bootstrap. Don't I have that in here into the main? That's funny, it didn't actually make those changes for me. Oh yeah, I don't actually load the Bootstrap in there. Custom. Oh, okay. Well, I guess we could. Do I just tell it to do it, or do I implement these steps myself? Bundle, add, Bootstrap. So I have a gem file. Gem Bootstrap. What version of Bootstrap is my website on? Let me take a look here. There we are. Okay, so 5.2.1. I guess we could try. What's the latest version of Bootstrap? Let's see. Bootstrap 5.3. So we're pretty close. I think we could probably update without any big issues. Okay, so I hope so. If it looks all weird, maybe we'll drop back. Because sometimes when you do a big, like if I upgrade too many things, it looks kind of weird. So let's, yeah, okay. Let's lock it to 5.3. How does this, I think 5.3.0. If I remember the squiggly, if I remember this correctly, this tells it to use the last one. Like it'll update this last one for us. So, okay, so I think I can, Docker compose. Let's just see if it installs app, I think. App bash. Let's just see if it installs everything. Okay, so that's cool. Let's try running it. So I don't think it'll fix it right away. If I go look here, localhost, yeah, I like it. That I had to do a couple other steps, but okay. Oh yeah, we gotta get the fave icon. Okay, so that's back. So that's cool. What is this second thing? Main.css. Okay. So these I don't think need to happen after. So if I go look again at my website, I guess the other thing, I'm not very good at front-end development. I just kind of fake that till I make it. I'm definitely more of a back-end developer. CSS and JavaScript, a lot of that really confuses me. I just really lose patience with it really fast. Okay, what is I looking for? Okay, style sheets, So application. So I load the theme. What's in the theme? Oh, okay. So I do. Okay, I have to make sure I do this before. Oh, interesting. Okay, I wonder if that's in. I'm gonna just move this over here so I can see it. I don't have that. All right, I wonder if I'll have to add that too. And then I just had Bootstrap here. Like I know it says this, but I just had Bootstrap there. So I think body. Okay, and then remove the CDN link. Oh, right, because this gem should install Bootstrap for us. Okay, yeah. So it's kind of the same thing as adding our custom Bootstrap stuff. Maybe I will need that path. Let's go here and take a look. Oh, I don't want that. What is it? SCS? Where does it think it is? Enter Bootstrap. Oh, because it would put in the gems, but let's just yeah, let's just get out of there just so it doesn't cause issues. Okay, let's try this, and if that doesn't work, we'll try linking to this, because this must be maybe where the gem is. And then if I go to my layouts, here we go. So I don't need this anymore. Okay, let's try that. Oh, nope. Got a lot of errors. Yeah, it's probably the path. I can't find it. Maybe Rails was doing some. Oh, that's wrong. We're converting. Bootstrap load path app _ SaaS user local bundle. Okay, so let's see, where is it? I'm just gonna copy this out of here to see where it's actually looking for it. Generate Jekyll feed, generate file for import not found. Okay. Let's put this just here. Okay, so it's using 3.4. So let's go. Where am I looking? CD user local bundle Ruby 3.4 gems. Oh, it's looking in the Jekyll theme for some reason. But Bootstrap is going to be here. It's looking in app _ SaaS. Okay, because that's fine. Line 50, yeah. I'm assuming it removes some of these to make this line 15. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, probably. Okay. Oh, is that going to work? So if I go look in the Jekyll folder. Oh, I think it's because I have this theme. Oh, okay. How do I undo this theme? Because I don't want it. Where does it? Oh yeah, config. Oh, there's a bunch of themes. Look at all these themes. Hmm. Well, okay. Well, first things first, I don't know. Let's just try this to see if it works. I guess it's not, but let's try it anyway. Right, because it's looking. Okay, so Jekyll is looking. What are the? What's the pass? And I don't want to use a Jekyll theme. I want to use Bootstrap. All right, let's see. I don't know if that's probably the right way to. Sure. Type ultra think. Oh. Load pass. Node. It's not a node module though. Go ahead, but I don't think. Okay, I do remember reading something about you can set the SAS path. Okay. So I think what I need to do is point it to that. Oh. Yeah. Okay, so it looks like it figured it out. SAS and no, I don't. Bundle show Bootstrap asset style sheets Bootstrap SAS. No, it's not what I want. Okay. Kind of interesting that I kind of half figured it out. So I don't want that. Yeah, like it's not going to be the node. Let's go take a look. Like we could just set it in there. I don't know if that's the best way, but so what did I say? User local. No. What were the paths it was loading? User local bundle. Okay. So there. Look at the gems. There's Bootstrap. And then can I see the okay, yeah, there's a Bootstrap in there. So oh, What is that? Boots another folder? Oh, there's a folder within a folder. Oh, okay. Just a bunch of like helper things. So I think I want to load this, is what I want to load, this Bootstrap here. Maybe I'll take a look. Let's see. Using Bootstrap in. Oh, 2 easy ways. I like easy. I don't want that. Okay, that's blah, blah, blah. Okay, it's great. So we know what the CDN. Let's do the bundle. I kind of like. Yeah, we could do that. I thought that's what we were gonna have to do. um, and overriding primary colors. Can I do that? You can override Bootstrap's default color variables, for example, compile to CSS. Oh, it's one I just looked at. I think it's the same one I just looked at. Download Bootstrap components. How do I override? Once you know what you're doing, go ahead and modify the minima site, create a site from scratch, or play out the Jekyll themes. Overriding your theme. Save. Import variables. Okay. Assets, add all the Bootstrap stuff. That's fine. Jekyll comes after Bootstrap. Yeah, okay. Oh, okay. So they, yeah, loaded. Did you want to override Bootstrap colors? Locate where the code links above that. I thought you'd want to do it below it, since you likely want to use JavaScript. Open the layouts. It is not easy. Oh, updating Bootstrap. Okay. Can you use a gem with Bootstrap? Jekyll Bootstrap gem. New Jekyll project initializing binary computing install pass. Bootstrap 3. Oh, this is an old one. Yeah, do we want the gem? Oh, man. Bootstrap Ruby gem. Bootstrap 5. Oh, okay. Okay, so it is Bootstrap. Oh, the gem requires... Oh, right. I think I had to do this something. Yeah, so I think Jekyll has its own one, so I don't think we need this gem. Let's not use the gem. That sounds like a lot of extra hassle. I thought it might be easier, but no, let's not do it. So let's get rid of this. And then let's go. Back to where we want to be. Oh yeah, app. Bundle clean. Let's just force everything to be clean. Okay, cool. So that's all gone. And now let's just download. So here we are. Here's Bootstrap. Sure, download. Deliver a cache version of Bootstrap to your project. Yarn, bun, Ruby gems. Okay. Oh, it's even NuGet now. Okay, let's just download these. Bootstrap 5. Okay, so let me open all this up. Downloads. Extract all. Okay, so it's got this. Okay, so let's just copy this to does it have the SAS folders? There's the JavaScript. Okay, well, let's just put it in assets. Do we have an assets? Yeah, we do. Oh yeah, actually, what did this recommend to do? It's the grid system. Okay, so connect your code to GitHub and GitHub Pages. Extract the zip file. Okay, CSS, JS, yes. And then okay, so let's copy those over there first. So let's put this assets. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so I should probably put these in separate folders. Like this should go on a /bootstrap. So let's rename this to bootstrap. Sure. And then we can move this to here. Yes. And then let's just move all of these. Open up. Let's create a JS folder. And then new folder, bootstrap 5.3.8. And just put it all in here. There we go. Okay, so I think we can get rid of this. Okay, done. So now if I go to so I think I don't need this anymore. So I want to import Bootstrap 5.3.8. Is that going to look in the correct area? I don't know. Actually, wait, what was the files that it was looking in? App.sas. Oh, I was looking in the SAS folder. That's a lot of changes. It's looking in the SAS folder, and it was looking in here. Oh, but I could tell it. I don't know. Let's just try. 5.3. I don't think this will work, but let's just see. Right, because is there a Bootstrap? If I go look here. Yeah, there's just a Bootstrap. Oh, I guess technically, I just need the mins. Oh, I can download all these things. I don't want all of this, actually. I just want one. Download ready-to-use compiled code. Compiled. What is this? The Bootstrap source code downloaded includes the compiled along with the source SAS. Do I want this the SAS? Is that what I want? Let me take a look here. What do we got? What does this look like? This has, oh, there's a lot of things in here. Oh, yeah, I don't know if I want that whole thing. Maybe I do. Yeah, that's a lot of files. And then how do I override? Like, create the Mina folder. Okay, let's see if we can find that. Like, let's see how these layouts work. Okay, let's see. Actually, let's do this. So set default Jekyll theme. Theme. Pick a theme. Jekyll's extensive themes. Jekyll installs the site that uses a gem-based theme called Minima. With gem-based themes, some of these sites directories such as are stored in the theme's gems and for me to view and all this. Installing gem-based themes. Creating. Okay, I don't want a theme, I don't think. So got a lot going on here. Let's just luckily we put this all into source control and we can just discard all 47 files. Okay, great. Cool. Now if we go here, this should be empty. Let's just get rid of that. This is empty. Let's get rid of that. Okay. All right, so now we're back where we started. Do I just install that theme like as a gem? That's probably the easiest. Okay, let's go look at my config. Jekyll sitemap. Oh, that's okay. Jekyll feed. So how do I themes? Minima. Assets. Oh, there's where the style comes from. Okay. Can I just not use a theme? Yeah, I'm not using a theme. So, okay, I don't think I'm using a theme. So if we go back here and we add that, and then do and then if we add, what was it? SAS has. Saster, there we are. Okay, so what does this look like? Oh, load paths. I want user. I think that's what I want. Let's see. Maybe that'll work. And then if I go back to here, and I want to import, what is it? Import boot. Oh yeah, sure. All right, let's see if that works. Oh, no, couldn't load it. Oh, it's such a long error message. Didn't I? Why isn't this working? What is Jekyll Team Primer? Like, why is it loading that one? Oh, Primer is the Jekyll Team for GitHub Pages. You can. Okay, so that's where that's coming from. So if I don't want to use it, oh, I guess oh man. At this line. Okay. Style sheet layouts. Oh, okay. So can I just use Jekyll? Is that what I need to do? GitHub Pages with a custom theme. That's great. Maybe I just had to. Okay. Jekyll install. I just had the Jekyll gem instead. Maybe that's where I screwed up. Gem install. Installation. Yeah. Okay, let's just try it in Gem Jekyll then. Check with the GitHub one. Sure. What is the Jekyll gem up to? Jekyll, whoops, Jekyll gem versions. 4.4. Okay. Okay. And then we could do. Whoop. bundle clean. Now, is that actually, I wonder what this is going to look like when we run it. Oh, it's still not going to load my, oh. Oh, right, I don't have the sitemap. Okay, so let's just get rid of these two. Can't find the style sheet to import. Yeah, of course you can. Okay. All right. What does this look like? This one. All right. It's not. Oh, it's not doing any. We just regressed a whole bunch there. That's a shame. Oh, right. Because I'm not. Oh, yeah. No, I'm still pulling the Bootstrap from here. Right. Because I got rid of that. So I don't want to do that anymore. And I want. All right. What are all the errors we're getting here? Oh, a whole bunch of errors. Sass import rules are deprecated or will be removed in Dart Sass. Oh. What does that mean? Jeez, it's a lot, eh? Eventually I'll import rules. Oh, okay. So while import can be used. Oh, just use that. Oh, what a pain. Well, I thought I would get this done today, but geez. Yeah, it's been about an hour. So, do I post this video? Because I'm even further behind than when I was before, which is really disappointing. Okay. Logger was used, but so I guess what did I learn? Like Claude was kind of good, but it created like it wanted to use that gem, but I don't want. I'm assuming I can still. I don't even know if this will actually build with. I don't have the. I'm assuming this will still build in GitHub Actions. Roots. Okay, these are all just the warnings. There, can't find style sheet to import. Okay, so I can't find Bootstrap, even though I told it. Is that where it should live? Of course, it freaks out again. Oh, because I'm missing a path. Oh, is that what I did before? It didn't work. Maybe it's that stupid auto complete thing. That just doesn't. Dang it. Assets. Yeah. All right, so this is the path that I need. Which I don't really like because then I have to update this every time, but. Okay, let's see if that works. Hey! That, did I screw that up before and people were yelling at the video? That's probably what happened. Oh, wow, that looks a lot better. Okay. This border's still a little big for some reason, but button's a touch bigger. Oh, interesting. Okay. Oh, wow, that looks pretty good, though. Oh, I'll consider that a win. Oh, okay, let's try. I wonder if I publish this, if this will look okay. So let's do that. Let's end this video by... Okay, so what did we do? We got rid of the themes, so we don't need these. We set this, which is not great. Bootstrap style sheets, sure. We imported Bootstrap here. I wonder if there's another setting that I'm missing for those buttons. Let me take a quick look at my Rails site here. I don't really have this light. Light, do I use that somewhere? I do have this enable. Responsive font sizes. I don't think that changes. I don't think that'll change anything in my site, but or for the button size, let's see. Yeah. Oh, interesting. This light, I just noticed this light doesn't actually exist in my theme file. Huh. And then yeah, huh, interesting. Okay. Yeah, so I don't need that. I just load the main. If I look at the site. Oh yeah, cool. Yeah, so got rid of that. That's where that style and everything was coming from. Okay, so I cleaned that up a bunch. That's good. Huh. Is that the way to do it? I do kind of like just using the gem. I don't have to cut and paste all those files. That's a huge pain in the butt. This kind of sucks. Like I'll have to, like I guarantee you I'll forget to do this when I want to update my Bootstrap. So I don't know if this enable responsive fonts does anything. So let's just get rid of that for now. Import some Google fonts. All right. Need to be done before importing Bootstrap. There we go. Oh, there's the, oh, maybe it screwed up the border for the button size. Let me take a look. So if I look at my website, theme. Oh yeah, I just got a .extend border. I don't even know what that means. It doesn't have that extend border for some reason. So maybe that's what's causing us the grief. We said it was two border. Oh, it just said border, not border. This should be border width is 2 pixels. And then, yeah, let's just put this in here. And then let's see if that, I think it automatically does it. Oh, it even hot reloaded it. Oh yeah, okay, there we go. Now that looks a lot better. Whoops. All right, that looks pretty good. Okay, well, let's see if this actually built. So thank you for watching for this long video. Let's commit this. Okay, let's make sure we got everything relatively cleaned up. Oh yeah, we can remove, just delete that. And then, oh, that's okay. Okay, fixed. Boots. Fixed errors. Customizing Bootstrap. Strap gem. Okay. All right, so let's try this. Let's publish this branch. Okay, and then, oh, right, I don't have, shoot. I think I talked about doing that last time. I was going to upload the, oops, let's, sorry. There we go. Okay. A bit bigger. Hooray. So if I go look at my website now, yes. All right, so that's what it is now. Let's do a pull request. Add page. Okay. This won't work yet. All right. Sure. Let's request a review. This is definitely an enhancement. Sure. I don't really have a milestone for this. Okay. What changed? Footer. Again, yeah, we're going to have to audit all this. think. Actually, well, it looks okay. Maybe, I don't know if I'll audit it during the video. That might be really boring, but most of it looks pretty good. Like through a quick scan. But then again, AI is really good at writing stuff like very confidently. It has a high level of confidence. Layout default title. Okay. All right, let's just see what happens. Okay, I'm just kind of curious what Copilot will say about it. And then we can merge it and then end this video. Copilot, it's taking a long time. All right. I kind of want to show that too. Okay. Let's see. Show process. Okay. Oh, it did find a bug. Interesting. Looks like. In the okay. So let's get rid of a bunch of these stuff. Bum, 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 bum. Okay. So it looks okay. Includes box. Cart dot title. Card title. Oh. I wonder if that was a typo I had from way before. So let's just close all. So includes box. Yeah, is that a typo I had? Let's see. Is that a typo I have in other Rails site? So this would be in. It's probably a partial. So where are my views? Layouts. Shared? No. Home? Oh, box. There it is. Okay. Oh, I did put cart title. That probably should be card. Oh, that's hilarious. Okay. So let's fix that. I wonder if that changes anything. I don't think I use the card title, so I don't think it'll affect anything. Yeah, looks the same. Okay, so that's funny. Thank you. Missing space before important. Okay, yeah, I can fix that too. That's probably a good fix. That's in. So I have had some luck with the body header. I have had some luck with the header logo to scroll away. Let's make sure. Yeah, I have had some luck with the. It's okay. Okay. What did I keep trying to say? I have had luck with GitHub Copilot reviews, like just for finding little things like this. Okay, but I have never tried this commit. That one kind of scares me, so I just like to do my own. So Oh, no, I don't want to discard. I wanted to add. Thank you. Fix typos found in the review. All right, there we go. So now if we go do this, oh, we can resolve these conversations. Okay, and then let's add a homepage. Sure. Now let's see if this actually builds. Play with Jekyll. So let's create some weird branch or something, I think. I can't remember anymore, but so oh no, of course not. It looks fine, but it can't of course it's not finding the if we want to use a different Jekyll version. I'm using GitHub Actions. Jekyll built. Oh yeah, of course. Okay, that is really unfortunate. What's it gonna look like now? No, it didn't do anything. Well, okay, so that failed. Boo. Bootstrap. Oh, is it not using my Rails? Okay, I guess I should look. Okay, maybe that's a video for another time, but we'll take a quick look. It's the only downside to recordings. I gotta find nice. Well, I guess it's a good thing for me too, because otherwise sometimes I just keep working forever. Configure pages. Actions, Jekyll build pages. Set permission. Yeah, that's fine. So we check everything out. We configure pages, and then we do the Jekyll build pages. And I don't know what the Jekyll build pages does, but it's running. Oh, it's running a Docker. A ton of bundler can't satisfy gems dependencies. Install missing gems with bundle install. Oh, okay. So I'm using Jekyll. Set up the actions. Oh, not GitHub Pages Jekyll. Oh, okay. Okay, well maybe. Sorry, yeah. If you're still watching, wow, it's pretty amazing. Okay, so let's go here. Go to the settings in your repository. Check. No settings. Done. Under the pages. To get source GitHub Actions. Go to the Actions tab in your repository. Start a new workflow and search for Jekyll. Yeah, I want to use custom workflow. Deploy Jekyll with GitHub Pages dependencies pre-installed workflow. I don't want to do that. It created one for me last time. How do I undo this? Maybe I have to delete it. Okay, well, anyway. I think I am going to end the video here because I got to go. Yeah, I got to go. So if you if you like, I don't know if these are any good or not, but anyway, if you liked watching this and learning about Jekyll, like I'm learning at the same time, hit the like, subscribe, all the thingies. Send it to friends. I don't know if you don't like it, I guess go watch something else. Sorry you watched all the way to the end for this horrible ending. So, but yeah, I guess part of it is I just want to see, I think all these videos are curated for people to succeed. Like they just show like instant success, instant gratification, and I want to show people failing. So, well, myself failing. I don't want other people to fail. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you made it this far, and maybe we'll see you in part 4 when I hopefully finally finish this thing. All right. Thanks for watching. Bye.